Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on Junkyard Truck. Figured I'd start off here. I was gonna head on back home from the last video. I figured that we can just go on straight in here and see if there's anything we would like. V8 radiator. This isn't the one I need, is it? That one's already on the truck, right? Yeah, that one's already on the truck. Okay. We have the plug wires. Turbocharged, $650. Wow. 200, 100. Okay, this here is all the V8 stuff except for the block. The block we have to find somewhere else. We have front drive gears and wait. Oh no, front rear. How much are the tires going to cost? $250 for those. Okay. These are the AM ATK. 400, 360, 370. 600. Oh, those are some nice, monstrous tires. But they're $600 a piece. That's quite expensive. Dual turbo? 8 spoke, double bedlock. Those are some nice rims. Let's go and look over here. Starter, oil filter, oil pan, carburetor, intake, head gasket, distributor, exhaust manifold, valve covers, rocker assembly. Okay, so it may be smart for us to replace some of these items, but I'm not too sure if we should. A transmission alone is $400. Well, let's go on and head on back home, see what's going on there. Or, well, let's see, Hello.
I need someone to shut off the overflow valve on the water tower. Problem is, the access road is gone. The weather this year pretty much destroyed everything.
Oh, no, it's in here. Missions? $300 for driving to the water tower and turning a knob. That doesn't sound half bad. Where's that? That's up there. We can do that.
Me speak.
Hello? What are you guys up to? Buy-in for 300. What's going on here? Ooh. Got a queen and a 2. I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm dealer. We have a pair. Let's check. Hold. I'll check again. We have a queen, pair of queens, and a king. Raise 15. I'm also gonna fold. What do you have? Oh, he doesn't have to show us. Ooh, 6 and 7 of hearts. You're gonna raise 11. You're gonna call with 21. I'll raise. Call with 36. Raise. Call 66. Raising at 14. Wow, these are... You guys are... I'm just gonna keep going. Gonna keep going with it. Ooh, this is not a very strong start at all. Ooh, we got one pair. This is very bad. Check, check. You have a 3, so you have a 3 pair. You have a pair of 3s. What else you got? Oh, you're doing this slow. Oh, wait, no, you're not. Are you? I don't know what's going on right now. Hello? Take the pile and run? Is that what I'm hearing? Hello? Not too sure what's going on right now. Okay, I think I need to go. I'm gonna take my money, which is not very much, and leave because you guys seem broken, which means I lost $200. Gotta love it. Okay, but we can head on up to that water tower and see what's going on over there. Let's go on up here. Oh my gosh, we just tear right through this. There's a fence on that side, so let's drive around this side here. Oh. Down. I do not have a winch, so I need to be careful not to get myself stuck. Go ahead and turn the truck off here. Maybe I can just do this part on foot. Okay, well, I'm up here. There's not a gate on here. Oh, I need to use the truck to jump up in there. So that's how they make sure that you bring the truck. Run, jump! Run, jump! Okay. Okay, there's an actual path. Oh, of course there's a path. I'm just not on it. Okay. And I'm back down to our truck, and hopefully we can get out of the situation that we seem to find ourselves in. Oh. Don't get out of the truck. Start it on up. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, it's starting to get dark. Headlights. here? Yep, that there is. Okay. I'm going. We're putting our truck through quite a bit right now. Jeez. Oh. Don't flip. Ah, there we go. Okay, that's all turned. We can come back here tomorrow. You can come back to town tomorrow. Let's go in here. Actually, turn that off. Can I pull up my phone? $50, but... Oh, do I need to be outside of the truck when I do it? Oh, I just did to town. No! That was a waste of $50. Did I just lose my drinks? I think I just lost everything I had in this. Good thing I don't think we had much in here. Oh wait, is he still there? If he's still there, then I can quickly claim that $300.
Here you go. You might have another job tomorrow.
Whoa. Okay. Sanity's fairly low. My voice just cracked. Happens. Oh, don't go over there. Yikes. Okay, let's keep going. What is on the ground here? Oh, a drink can. Let's go ahead and bring this here back inside. Let's see if this is the right fuel to fill this up. Yep, okay, it's the right one to fill it up. Throw this on this shelf over here. Turn off our headlights. That's where we're going to leave it for today. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It all does mean a lot to me and helps out the channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.